Emirates Airways is renowned for its exceptional service, luxurious experience, and incredible global reach. But how did it all begin? In this video, we'll explore the humble beginnings, the ambitious growth, and the innovative strides that have shaped Emirates into the airline we know and love today. Our story begins in March 1985, when Emirates was founded with the backing of Dubai's ruler, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. With a vision to create a world-class airline, Maurice Flanagan was tasked with the ambitious mission to launch Emirates in just 5 months, with a $10 million seed funding. Despite the tight deadline and limited resources, the team worked tirelessly to bring the airline to life. The inaugural flight of Emirates took off on October 25, 1985, from Dubai to Karachi, Pakistan. This flight number, EK, stands for Emirates through Karachi, paying tribute to Pakistan's support in launching the airline. From these humble beginnings, Emirates quickly expanded its operations and network. In the years that followed, Emirates focused on expanding its fleet and routes. By the early 1990s, Emirates had established itself as a formidable player in the aviation industry. The airline invested heavily in new aircraft, including the Boeing 777 and Airbus A380, which became the backbone of its long-haul operations. Emirates' strategy of connecting passengers through its hub at Dubai International Airport proved to be highly successful. Dubai's strategic location allowed the airline to serve destinations across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. By the mid-2000s, Emirates was operating flights to over 100 destinations worldwide. One of the key factors behind Emirates' rapid growth was its focus on providing a luxurious and comfortable flying experience. The airline introduced innovative amenities such as private suites, onboard showers, and lounges in its premium cabins. This commitment to excellence earned Emirates a reputation as one of the world's leading airlines. Emirates boasts one of the largest and youngest fleets in the world. As of 2024, the airline operates 260 aircraft, including 89 Airbus A380s and 138 Boeing 777s. The average age of the fleet is just 10.5 years, reflecting Emirates' commitment to maintaining a modern and efficient fleet. The Airbus A380, in particular, has become synonymous with Emirates. The airline is the largest operator of this super jumbo, offering unparalleled comfort and luxury. Emirates' success can be attributed to its visionary leadership. Ahmed bin Said Al Maktoum has been the CEO since the airline's inception in 1985, providing consistent and strategic direction. Under his leadership, Emirates has grown from a small regional carrier to a global aviation powerhouse. Maurice Flanagan, the founder, played a crucial role in shaping the airline's early years. His innovative approach and dedication laid the foundation for Emirates' future success. Tim Clark, the current president, has continued this legacy, focusing on expanding the airline's network and enhancing the passenger experience. Dubai International Airport (DXB) serves as the main hub for Emirates. The airport's state-of-the-art facilities and strategic location have been instrumental in the airline's growth. DXB is one of the busiest airports in the world, handling over 90 million passengers annually. Emirates' dedicated terminal, Terminal 3, is one of the largest airport terminals globally. It offers seamless connectivity, world-class lounges, and a wide range of shopping and dining options. This hub-and-spoke model allows Emirates to efficiently connect passengers from all corners of the globe through Dubai. Today, Emirates flies to over 150 destinations across 6 continents, making it one of the most globally connected airlines. The airline's extensive network includes major cities such as New York, London, Sydney, Tokyo, and Johannesburg. This global reach has not only boosted tourism and trade, but also positioned Dubai as a major aviation and business hub. Emirates' impact extends beyond aviation. The airline has sponsored numerous sports events and teams, including partnerships with football clubs like Arsenal and Real Madrid. Emirates' Fly Better campaign emphasizes its commitment to providing a superior travel experience and connecting people and cultures worldwide. Emirates is a subsidiary of the Emirates Group, which is wholly owned by the government of Dubai's Investment Corporation of Dubai. The Emirates Group, headquartered in Garhoud, Dubai, oversees the airline's operations and various subsidiaries, including INIU, which provides ground handling and travel services. This state-owned structure has allowed Emirates to benefit from substantial financial backing and support, enabling its ambitious expansion plans and continuous innovation in the aviation industry. Emirates has embraced digital transformation to enhance the customer experience. The airline's award-winning loyalty program, Skywards, offers personalized rewards and exclusive benefits to its members. Passengers can earn miles on flights, hotel stays, car rentals, and even everyday purchases. Skywards has over 30 million members as of 2024, making it one of the largest and most attractive loyalty programs in the industry. Emirates' commitment to customer satisfaction extends to its in-flight entertainment system, ICE Information, Communication, Entertainment. ICE has been consistently recognized as the best in-flight entertainment system by Skytrax. With thousands of channels offering movies, TV shows, music, and live sports, ICE ensures that passengers of all ages stay entertained throughout their journey. In recent years, Emirates has taken significant steps towards sustainability. The airline has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, including investing in more fuel-efficient aircraft, optimizing flight paths, and reducing single-use plastics on board. Emirates has also partnered with organizations to support wildlife conservation and protect endangered species. The airline's commitment to sustainability is evident in its participation in the Dubai Clean Energy Strategy 2050, which aims to make Dubai a global hub for clean energy and green economy. By adopting sustainable practices, Emirates is contributing to a more environmentally friendly aviation industry. As we look to the future, Emirates continues to innovate and expand. The airline has plans to introduce new aircraft, including the Airbus A350XWB and Boeing 777X, further enhancing its fleet's efficiency and passenger experience. Emirates remains committed to providing world-class service and maintaining its position as a leader in the aviation industry. Thank you for joining me on this video through the history of Emirates. I hope you found this story as inspiring and fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Feel free to leave your comments and let us know what you think about our channel. Until next time, fly better.